I'm gonna teach you how to make tripe. And if you don't like it, you probably never try it, so shut the hell up and watch. It's probably the cheapest way to get protein. This whole pound was $4. 1 carrot, celery, of course the tripe, some tomato sauce, and I don't have onions, so I'm using, I don't know what you call these in America, we call it scalogni. I forgot you also need some parmigiano. Cut the carrot, the celery, this little guy here, and now we start cooking a little. Lots of oil. Throw it in there. Now onto the tripe. We're gonna cut this thing. Right here. Throw it in there. Add immediately the tomato and some water. Now cooking this takes 3 hours at least, so for meal prepping is good. If you want to have a quick lunch or dinner, not really. The goal is to make all the water evaporate. I mean, not all of it, but a lot of it. After a few hours you try it, and when you're good with the consistency, some people like it gummier, some people like it less gummy, you throw the cheese on it. Oh, ma che vuoi fa? 10 out of 10.